Your child just talked back to you, and in the next 30 seconds, you're about to teach them the exact disrespect you hate without even realizing it. Stay till the end because I'm going to show you the 4-step method that made my 9-year-old stop eye rolling in just 7 days. Hey, it's the Parent Hub. Let's dive in. Welcome back to the Parent Hub, the only channel where we don't just complain about kids, we actually fix it with real brain science. Today's video can completely change how your child speaks to you forever. And if you're new here, smash that subscribe button right now because in the next 5 minutes, you're getting the biggest parenting mistake 99% of us make every single day. Real scenario, the hidden lesson. Picture this, dinner time. You tell your kid, phone down, come eat. They groan loudly and say, ugh, why is it always me? Your blood boils. You snap, excuse me? Is that how you talk to your mother? You think you just taught respect, but mirror neurons in their brain just downloaded something completely different. Question for you. How many of you have done exactly this today? Drop a me in the comments right now. You are the attitude coach. Neuroscience from Harvard and Yale now proves when you correct disrespect with the disrespectful tone, your child's brain literally copies you, not your words. These are called mirror neurons. They don't care about your lecture. They care about your energy. So every time you raise your voice to stop the attitude, congratulations, you just became their attitude coach. Crazy, right? Type mind blown in the comments if this just hit you hard. The Parent Hub. This is why at the Parent Hub, we say never demand the respect you're not willing to show in the heat of the moment. So how do we break this cycle? Here's the exact 4-step framework I use with thousands of parents inside the Parent Hub community, and it works even if your child is 5 or 15. Step 1, the 3-second freeze. As soon as they talk back, silently count 1, 2, 3 in your head. This tiny pause stops your amygdala hijack. Science says 90% of parents who do this never yell again. Try it today and tell me in comments if it worked. Step 2, name it to tame it. Instead of don't you dare talk to me like that, say, I can hear you're really upset, but we don't use that tone in this house. You just validated their feeling and set the boundary. Double win. Who's going to try this tonight? Comment I'm in below. Step 3, become the mirror you want to see. Speak the way you want them to speak to you. Calm, firm, eye contact. Example, I'm happy to listen when you speak respectfully. I'm right here when you're ready. Then walk away. Mic drop. This one step alone stopped my daughter's backtalk in 4 days. Comment your child's age. I'll tell you how fast it works for that age. Step 4, the 60-second repair, most powerful. Later, when everyone's calm, say, hey, earlier I raised my voice and I didn't like that. I'm working on it. Thank you for being patient with me. When they see you take accountability, their respect for you explodes. Parents who do step 4 report 80 to 90% less attitude drop in under 2 weeks. Real results and the 7-day challenge. Last week, Priya from Mumbai commented, I used step 1 and 2 and my 11-year-old apologized on his own for the first time ever. Rahul said, in 7 days, my daughter stopped eye rolling. These are real parents, just like you, inside the Parent Hub family. Final motivation and conclusion. Remember, your child isn't giving you a hard time, they're having a hard time, and they're looking at you to learn how to handle it. Be the calm they need and watch the respect come naturally. Today's episode of the Parent Hub ends here. And if today's technique was helpful, please like the video, comment with your experience, and make sure to subscribe. We share weekly tools and strategies that can truly transform your parenting journey. So like, comment, and subscribe. Your small support is our biggest motivation.